Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your screen rotation not working on REALME Note 70T. Let's begin. And we can begin by simply checking if we have our screen rotation enabled. We can do that by expanding our control center twice, and here you can see your auto rotate. Now by default it's probably like this, meaning that it's disabled, meaning that if you would go to an application that actually supports both of these modes and you would try to rotate your device, you will fail. A little icon will appear, and if you click it you will have the ability to, rotate it, but it is not automatic. Now, in order to make it automatic, you want to simply expand your control center twice. Once again, hit auto rotate, and now if you will try to rotate your screen, it's working without any issues. Though it's important to note that not every application actually supports this. There are many applications, mostly games, that only play in certain mode. The best example of this is probably Clash Royale, which only works in the portrait mode, and Call of Duty Mobile, which only works in landscape mode. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.